In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Google Play. If you purchased an app, game, subscription, or other content through Google Play and need your money back, the refund request process is fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can submit your request clearly and correctly. To begin, open a web browser and go to play.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to the Google account that was used to make the purchase. This part is important because refund options are tied to the account that completed the order. If you use a different account, you may not see the purchase in your history. After you're logged in, go to your profile area and select Payments and Subscriptions. This section is where Google Play organizes your purchases, payment activity, and subscription-related settings. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to check the menu carefully, since the layout can look slightly different depending on your device or browser. Next, inside Payments and Subscriptions, open Budget and Order History. This page shows your previous Google Play purchases, which makes it easier to find the exact item you want to request a refund for. Be sure to review the list carefully so you choose the correct order, especially if you've made several recent purchases. When you find the order you want to return, click Report a Problem. Google Play will then ask you to choose the option that best describes your situation. Select the reason that most closely matches why you're requesting the refund. After that, complete the form and clearly mention that you need a refund. Once everything looks right, click Submit to send your request. When filling out the form, it helps to be brief but specific. A clear explanation can make your request easier to review. Also, double check that you're submitting the request for the right order before sending it, since that can save time and avoid confusion. After you submit, Google will review the request and may follow up with a decision by email or through your account activity. Response times can vary, so keep an eye on your inbox and your Google Play purchase history for updates. And that's it. That's how to request a refund on Google Play using your account order history. Follow these steps carefully, provide accurate details in the form, and you'll have your request submitted properly.